Alright. We are lower the squat
Lower.
position, neck position.
Lower, guys.
Okay lang, okay na yan.
It should be
And it's
parallel, so
okay.
lower your butt.
Everyone started at the same they are. And
Pag mataas, violation ka agad. Proper form, lower your butt. Your proper form.
everyone is aware that the crew each 740
Video lang, video.
that we have here.
Arms up.
6 a.m.
Uy, ba't ang taas ng iba? Sa CDO, oh.
It should be parallel, guys. Lower your butt.
CDO, oh.
Marbles.
Uy, ba't si...
Has a warning. We have 1 minute.
Yung Manila, naglag yan. Naglag yan.
Ah,
And we-
nakatayo lang.
Yes. It's gonna be lower.
Pag nag-move,
Oh my God, it's
Alright, we get
it's hill out here. It's hill down here.
encourage
1 minute and 24.
Axel is
It's 1 minute na.
yes, palakpakan natin sila, guys. Palakpakan. Palakpakan. Again, thank you all for coming and supporting your favorite contender.
Yes. 1 minute and 45.
them to position their body parts.
1 minute.
We have 3 that remain in Manila. And as you guys can see, I will go here to the side. We've got Agyo, CDO, people in those positions, Cebu. McFit is grunting.
Arms.
Stick with it.
Wala pa yatang nahuhulog sa Manila. Wala pa. Wala pa, ma'am. Wala pa. Oh,
Guys, focus.
focus, guys. Wala
Sayang
pa.
yung blood flow.
Alright, come on guys, cheer our competitors on!
Come on, Baguio.
Last
Come
man
on.
standing, do we want
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, do we want to keep that?
Go Baguio. Go Baguio. Go Baguio. Go Baguio.
Go, Baguio! Uy, 100,000 din yan.
CDO 2 out.
Also down over there.
No, don't give up, Baguio. Don't give up. Kaya yan.
Let's go CDO.
Confirm anything?
Don't give up, Baguio. Kaya yan.
1 down from Cebu.
Alright, Herbie's not coming up anymore. I think he'll rest a bit on the ground.
1 down from Cebu. Last 2 from Baguio.
He's
So Christian, lower your butt. So Christian.
represented the country.
So from Baguio.
Okay. Sir,
Ikaw na lang dito sa Manila. Give it up for McFit!
lipat ka dito.
Give him energy!
Okay, go.
Alright. Sumunod ng Cebu. Go Baguio. Sumunod ng Cebu. Guys, come on. Help us. Baguio. Susunod Cebu.
Everyone's here.
Alright, dalawa na sa Cebu. Go Baguio. Baguio still we have 4 contenders. 4 sa Manila. Cebu no more. Only for Manila. We're from Baguio.
Don't give up.
Cebu down already.
Hinga, Jefford, hinga. Arms up. Kaya mo yan.
Ay, naglag na.
Kaya mo yan.
Go. Guys, focus.
Focus. Arms up.
Cali.
Kaya yan.
Hold your
Wag.
Have your breath.
We have here.
Layo.
First time ever.
Go. Power. Energy. Form, guys, form. Sir Christian, lower a bit, yung bat. Bro, up your butt, up, lower.
And I love the fact that it's all presented to their own area.
Is it the...
Alright, so I could see there
Time.
they're all waving.
5 minutes and
Wow,
22
5
seconds.
minutes.
Other competitors.
Wow.
Okay, so from what I heard,
Don't sit down, don't sit down, don't sit down. Oops, tumaas.
The
This is the
internet
last 4.
feed
5 minutes 40.
Hips up, hips up, hips up.
actually really real time footage.
Sir Ote,
We
yung
have
bat.
Jeneline,
commercials
gilid ka, alis ka dyan. Hips, hips down, hips down.
Good job, guys. Each and every if we have
Arms up, Ellie.
from this morning, even Len, our still female, if she's still here, we got
Marshall, hayaan natin
Sai.
mag-focus ang ating contenders.
Leo. You know,
Uy.
everyone should still be congratulated. They're now attending to our competitors, making sure that they're stretched out correctly.
Arms
There's
down na,
last
wala na, arms
three
down.
competitors.
Out, Ellie.
Pag nag-arms down, wala na.
Down, Ellie.
Down,
Help,
down.
Marshall,
Okay,
help.
last two, last two!
Last two.
Three competitors.
Last two!
Is everyone else?
Guys, yung form. Guys, help your friends.
Cebu and Baguio are still in the running for the Columbia Last Man Standing.
It's gonna be for Team Lakay or Medic. Please stand by.
Medic, medic.
Team Lakay, ako naman, siya.
Okay yan, let's go.
Sir
Let's go for
Christian, lower a
Baguio.
bit. Lower a
Kaya
bit.
yan, kaya yan. Uy. Uy, Baguio. Baguio versus Cebu, tama? Baguio versus Cebu. Oh my gulay.
Sir, yung kit.
Baguio versus Cebu. Stay there, hang on. Kaya yan. Gilid yung mga marshals. Gilid.
Sir, bawal magtilay. Sir.
Kailangan ng camera. Gilid.
Bawal ang tilay.
Gilid! Gilid, marshals! Naka-video po kayo, naka-live po yan. Gilid po yung marshals, huwag niyong harangan yung camera in front. Ayan, kaya yan. Don't give up. Sige lang, hayaan nyo. Konti na lang.
Guys,
Cebu versus Baguio!
Cebu or Baguio! Cebu or Baguio! Baguio! Guys, gonna be between Cebu and Baguio.
Hips down.
Focus.
Baguio!
Last warning guys, bawal magtilay. Sorry.
Hips down. Arms up. Papagsak na.
Bro,
Huwag kang babagsak. Babagsak na. Konti na lang. Cebu, babagsak na. Konti na lang.
Baguio!
Baguio!
Go Baguio!
Konti na lang. Ibag ka na, Cebu. Hinang malalim. Hinga. Focus kayo, guys. Focus. Kaya yan. Kalmahin nyo yung sarili nyo. Focus. Konti na lang. Please. Konti na lang. Konting tiis.
Go Baguio!
Malalaglag ka na. Wow! Konti na lang. Let's go. Uy! Bumaba na yung hips niya. Nakaupo na si Cebu. Wait lang, don't give up yet. Don't give up. Antayin natin yung decision nila. Wait. Arms up. Again, galingan nyo. May pag-asa pa. Konting tiis. Arms
Update
up.
to
Hands
siya.
down. I-cheer natin.
Baguio! Guys, go! Hakas!
Okay, go Denver. Kaya mo yan. Go Christian. Kaya mo yan. Christian.
Go!
Hip
Christian Denver! Baguio! Baguio!
Baguio! Baguio! Baguio! Baguio! Baguio!
Then we between Baguio and Cebu. Oh, medic, medic!
Medic, medic.